Present for sale at Three Pines Garage. Registration MV68XZO. Ford Transit Custom 2.0 EcoBlue 130 PS Low Roof D, Cab Limited Van. It has done 64,000 miles. The van comes with alloys, air conditioning, DAB radio, Bluetooth, heated seats, heated windscreen, cruise control, parking sensors, Apple CarPlay, roof bars. A great limited spec custom crew in a stunning color. This van is an ideal buy not only for a work crew with a taste in vans, but also for anyone who needs a vehicle that balances work and social life. A full MOT and full service are included in the sale. Part exchange is considered at trade value, finance options available and warranty is included. There is no VAT. You can contact us at 07300 300 101 or at 01885488188. Go to threepinesgarage.co UK now to find up to 100 crew vans, panel vans, and 9-seaters in stock. Open 7 days a week for viewing.